Hey guys! Welcome to the Let Me Tell You channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a very important topic that has generated a lot of discussion in recent years, the secrets of the pharmaceutical industry. In this video, we're going to talk about a very important topic that has generated a lot of discussion in recent years, the secrets of the pharmaceutical industry. As we know, the pharmaceutical industry plays a crucial role in our health, but it is also one of the most lucrative and controversial industries. Recently, many media reports have shown some of the questionable business practices of the pharmaceutical industry, which has raised many doubts and concerns among the population. The pharmaceutical industry has a long history, dating back to the 19th century with the discovery of new techniques for synthesizing chemical compounds. At that time, many medicines were derived from plants and were produced in small quantities. With the discovery of chemical synthesis, the pharmaceutical industry began to develop synthetic drugs on a large scale. Since then, the pharmaceutical industry has expanded rapidly, developing new drugs and treatments for various diseases. However, the history of the pharmaceutical industry is also littered with scandals and dark secrets, including animal testing, manipulation of clinical trial data, and a lack of transparency in disclosing drug information. The pharmaceutical industry involves a long process of research and development of new drugs, which can take up to 15 years and cost billions of dollars. The pharmaceutical industry involves a long process of research and development of new drugs, which can take up to 15 years and cost billions of dollars. This process begins with the discovery phase, in which scientists look for new molecules that might be useful in treating disease. Then there is the preclinical development phase, in which animal tests are carried out to assess the drug's safety and efficacy. After that comes the clinical trials phase, in which the drug is tested on human beings. These trials are performed in 3 phases and involve hundreds or even thousands of patients. If the drug goes through all stages of clinical trials and is approved by regulatory agencies, it can be marketed. However, throughout this process, there are many opportunities for questionable business practices, such as suppressing information about a drug's side effects or manipulating clinical trial data to favor a particular outcome. Unfortunately, there are many dark secrets in the pharmaceutical industry that have been exposed in the media in recent years. One of the main concerns is the lack of transparency in drug prices. Many pharmaceutical companies raise the prices of essential medicines without justification, which can make it difficult for patients who cannot afford the high costs to access the medicines. Another concern is the influence of the pharmaceutical industry on scientific studies. Many pharmaceutical companies fund clinical studies to prove the efficacy and safety of their drugs, but these studies can often be biased and manipulated to favor the company's interests. This can lead to the approval of drugs that are potentially dangerous or less effective than other treatments. In addition, the pharmaceutical industry is also known for its lobbying to influence government policies related to health and medicines. This can lead to policies that favor pharmaceutical companies over patients and the healthcare system as a whole. Finally, the pharmaceutical industry has also been criticized for its high profits and lack of investment in areas of research and development that are not so profitable, such as rare and neglected diseases. This can lead to a lack of treatments for these diseases and the exclusion of patients who need these treatments. In summary, the secrets of the pharmaceutical industry are many and varied, including questionable business practices, lack of transparency in drug pricing, influence on scientific studies, political lobbying, and lack of investment in less profitable areas of drug research and development. It is important that these issues are discussed and addressed to ensure that patients' interests are prioritized over corporate profits. Well guys, I hope this video has helped to shed light on some of the secrets of the pharmaceutical industry. While the pharmaceutical industry plays an important role in our health, it is important that questionable business practices are discussed and that there is greater transparency in disclosing information about medicines and treatments. It is important that the pharmaceutical industry is tightly regulated to ensure that the interests of patients are prioritized over corporate profits. Education and knowledge about the secrets of the pharmaceutical industry are also critical for us to make informed decisions about our health. And that's it, folks. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time.